दोट्टी नागरिकत्व आशिल्ल्यांक तांचो एक पासपोर्ट सुपूर्द करपा खातीरची मुजत सोंपल्या। सरकारान हे खातीर आनीक 60 दीस वाडोवन दिवचे अशी मागणी काँग्रेसीचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरान केल्या। जे गोंयकार पासपोर्ट करून पोर्तुगीजांक गेल्यात तांच्या मुखार मोठी अडचण उप्रासल्या। ताका लागून सरकारान जाता तितले बेगीन हाचेर उपाय काडचो अशें कार्लोस मागता। सद्याक पोर्तुगीज नागरिकत्वाचो विशय गाजता। दोट्टी नागरिकत्व आशिल्ल्यांक एक पासपोर्ट सरेंडर करपा खातीरची मुजत सोंपली। ताका लागून तांचे मुखार मोठी अडचण उप्रासल्या। अशां खातीर आनीक 60 दिसांची मुजत दिवची म्हणून काँग्रेसीच्या कार्लोस फेरेराची मागणी। जे गोंयकार 1961 पयलीं जल्माक आयल्यात ते आपोआप पोर्तुगीज नागरीक जाल्यात। तांच्या भुरग्यांकूय पोर्तुगीज नागरिकत्वा खातीर अर्ज करूं येता। पूण गोंय जेन्ना मुक्त जालें तेन्ना भारत सरकारान आपलें नागरिकत्व तांच्या माथ्यार मारलें। पोर्तुगीज नागरिकत्व सोडपाचेर तांच्यांनी कसलेंच स्पश्टीकरण दिवंक ना। देखून 2 पासपोर्ट आसप ही गोंयकारांची चूक न्ही, हो सरकारी पावण्याचेर जाल्ली घुसपणूक अशें काँग्रेसीचो आमदार कार्लोस फेरेरा म्हणटा।
Those born before 1961 were Portuguese nationals. Those, as you rightly pointed out, the government of India by citizenship order gave them Indian citizenship. Of course, it said in there that those who do not want to retain the foreign nationality must make a declaration within 30 days before the concerned officer. Most of them were actually put into those camps and many of them were packed off and they went off to Portugal. Maybe some secretly held it with that, by saying, yes, I'll keep my passport, but let it be, I'm not getting a certificate as Indian citizen, but I live over here. Some people just lived. Maybe they could not afford, maybe they never had another house over there, maybe they had no place to go, so they remained here.
So what is the solution for this?
Wait. Even those people, if they had, I'm telling you this, if they had also continued registering, renewing their passport that time without a break, then I would not have seen a fault by law, technically, to say that you have voluntarily acquired citizenship of a foreign nation. But what has happened is, once Portugal ceased to have any relationship with us in the sense that of continuing with these things and the benefits, there was a break. People now positively have gone to register those births, and the children or successors, because up to grandchildren can do it, they have gone and registered their births to get the benefit for themselves or for their children. The solution, I think the government of India would have to bring out an amendment to protect these people. And I think the government of Goa can do its part in recommending to the central government. They did promise in 2012, 2015, the government of Goa was promising, and you can see all the correspondence in the noise, and as an amnesty, because I think then after you give this one time, you see what we call, like you have an OTS scheme, like you can have this one-time waiver, and you can allow these people to take a decision maybe within 30 days or 60 days, decide where you want to be, either here or there, give them that one chance, and then after that, I think that thereafter be strict, because this ambivalence has been created according to me by the government itself and the government authorities.
समीप नार्वेकारा सयत ब्युरो रिपोर्ट गोमंतक टीव्ही।